Here's some tips to get you cooled down after your run. Cooling down after a run is important because it helps to lower your heart rate and breathing and reduces the amount of soreness you may feel after your run. For this cool down, we're going to be foam rolling through the calf muscles. You can do 1 to 2 minutes per calf. You're going to place the foam roller on the calves, raise up your body weight, and you can either work both at the same time, or once you find an area, you can cross your leg to add more pressure, and we're just working through areas of tightness until that tightness lessens some. For this cool down, we're going to be doing a figure 4 stretch. You can do 2 sets of 1 minute each leg. You'll be sitting down, you're going to grab your leg and put it on the opposite knee. You can apply a little bit of pressure onto the knee, and you're going to feel this stretch in the glute of the leg that is up. You want to make sure you're sitting tall for this, and if you want a little bit more stretch, you're just going to move your upper body forward parallel to the floor. For this cool down, we're going to be stretching through the quad muscles. So you can do 2 sets of 1 minute holds per thigh. You'll find a stable surface, grab your foot from the back and bring it up towards your glute, knee straight down, making sure you're not arching through your low back. You're going to hold this for the minute and then release and repeat on the other side. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, if you have any ideas for any sports or activities you'd like to see in the next video, let us know in the comments below. See you next time.